In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Intercom software tutorial. In this guide, we'll explore how to use Intercom to streamline customer communication, manage support, and improve engagement with customers. Intercom is a comprehensive communication platform that lets you connect with customers through live chat, email, and in app messaging. It's particularly popular for customer support, sales, and product teams, making it easy to maintain a seamless flow of communication in real time. So, before we start, what is Intercom? Intercom is a software tool designed for businesses to communicate with customers through a variety of channels. It's widely used for customer support, onboarding, and engagement, enabling businesses to connect via live chat, chatbots, email, and push notifications. Intercom's core value is improving customer engagement while streamlining support and feedback, making it especially useful for SaaS companies, e commerce, and customer support team. So, to get started, simply sign in with your account, or if you just created your account, you will now be redirected to this page. So, you need to enter your company name. You need to select your company size. So I'm just going to select 1 to 5 and click on Start Free Trial. After doing all of that, we will now be redirected to our dashboard. So as you can see, welcome to our free trial. Just click on Continue. So what matter most to your team? So you can select from these options, but you can also skip if you want. So I'm just going to skip this. Do you already use a customer support tool? Let's just skip this too. Which support channels do you prefer? How many customer conversations do you expect per month? Do you manage your support team? When will you start using Intercom with customers? So I'm just going to skip all of these questions. But of course, you can answer this if you want. Now, Intercom will now customize your setup. So as you can see, this will be what your homepage or your main dashboard will look like. So get started with AI first, customer support. And from here to get started, you just need to follow this get setup instructions. So first you need to install the messenger to connect with your customers. So just click on install messenger. So as you can see right here, install the messenger on your site or app. So you can choose how to install the messenger. So you can either just use a code snippet, React, Angular, Vue, Ember, WordPress, Google Tag Manager, Shopify, or Segment. So just follow all of the steps right here to install the messenger on your site or app. So let's just go back to our homepage. So the next step that you need to do is to invite your teammates to collaborate faster. So when you click right here, you can click on invite teammates. So as you can see, each teammate that joins will be assigned a full seat and full permissions access. So this will cost per seat per month. So this per seat per month, it depends on your subscription plan. So simply type the email of your team member and click on send invite. Next is you want to add content to power your AI and help center. So click on add content. So as you can see right here, we have all sources right here. So as you can see, we have internal articles, conversations, and macros. So from here, we can simply sync or import. So let's say you want to sync your Guru account or your Notion to Intercom. Just click right here. You also have macros right here, more content sources such as snippets, PDFs, or custom answers. So let's just go back to, let's just go here to AI and automation. So Intercom also has AI and automation feature. So from here we have this Fin AI agent. So this is the overview of Fin AI agent. So to set up this Fin AI agent, we have these instructions right here. So to set up Fin, start by adding content. So just follow all of these instructions, such as syncing websites, use the Intercom Help Center, use snippets, import content from files, use custom answers, and use inbox conversation content. So right here we have content suggestions and custom answers. So we also have this workflows features right here. So this will be your automations. So if you want to create a new automation, you can click here on new workflow. They also have a video tutorial right here on how to set up a workflow. Also have the basics feature right here. So you can go beyond the basics with workflows. So you can explore workflows right here. So the next feature is here, the knowledge. Again, this is the one where you can sync the articles and add contents. Next is reports. So right here, you'll see all of the reports that's going on with your channels. As you can see, we have the overall volume growth right here, the dates, new conversations by channel. So basically, you'll see all of the performance metrics right here that is running. So you can see all reports right here, such as the articles, calls, conversations. You'll see your reports if you have one. You can also add new ones. Also see conversation topics and data export. This is outbound, so this feature is not available for the free plan. And we have our contacts right here. So from here, basically, this is the most basic feature. So you can add new users or leads just by clicking here in the top right. So you can see you can add new user or create new lead. So just fill up the name and the email, and basically that's how you can add new users and leads. And to get started, just click here and get started again, and just simply follow these steps right here. So basically, what you want to do right now is to simply explore more about the features of Intercom, follow the articles and the resources that is provided, and in no time, you can now use Intercom in your business. So that's basically all of the features of Intercom, and that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.